quick little video for you today. Pretty excited. I just got another package in the mail, and some of you may know that it's kind of getting me in trouble. But anyways, we're going to get this build done one way or another. Today is about a very special axle. I talked to a good buddy of mine who said that in order to use this long travel kit for the P500, that you have to modify a front right axle of a Pioneer 500 and a Pioneer 700 to make it work. I wasn't really a fan of that. I thought, hey, what if I could just buy a heavy duty axle built specifically for this application? I hit up my good sponsor Demon PowerSports, and I told them what I wanted. They were able to build it for us, and for me, I just got the first one, and I'll put the paper to this part number for you guys who have Joe's Long Travel Kit and want to order this Demon heavy duty axle and not have to splice two axles together anymore on the trail. You can literally, if one ever broke, not saying it would, but if you ever break one of your spliced together axles, you do have this one to use and throw in there, or if you just want an upgrade. So let me show you guys what it looks like, and like I said, I will throw the part number up on the screen for you guys. All right, let me scoot back here. All right, here it is. This is a Pioneer 500 inner cup, P700 axle, shaft, and the outer cup. Still Demon reliability and strength. Just hit them up, mention me, tell them you appreciate them working with me and doing this for us, for the community. Stuff like that, I think they'll be really happy to hear. And if I need to get something else made for you guys in the future, and this does well, and they sell some of these where it's profitable time for them and everything else, that maybe they'll do some more stuff. I've already had somebody ask me about making another hybrid axle, so give me some time. Let's see if I can get a couple of these sold, and if I do, and they tell me they're willing to make another custom axle, sky's the limit, guys, on some of that stuff. So anyways, this is it. Here's the part number. Want to order this for the Joe's Long Travel Kit for the P500. This will be for the right front axle. All the other axles are just OEM Pioneer 700. So as long as you have 3 other P700 axles and then you run this one up front, then you're good to go. Demons all the way around. No more hodgepodging 2 separate axles together to make one. Demon's already done it for you in their heavy duty package. So that's it, guys. Like I said, this video is going to be really short, but I felt like this was really pertinent information that you guys needed to have, and I wanted to get it out there for you guys that already have this long travel kit. Maybe you can now hit up Demon. No promo codes if I haven't said that already. This axle is going to be $290, so a little bit more expensive than a regular Demon, but considering that you're not buying 2 separate axles and trying to do this yourself, I think that's pretty cool for their time and labor into it to make this for us. So stay tuned for more Pioneer builds and updates, and I'll be working on the Pioneer tomorrow too, so should have some good stuff coming all this weekend. It's going to be pretty exciting. Thank you guys for watching, as always.